Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step how you can use Warriorplus for beginners, how you can earn money affiliate marketing with this website. So I'm going to show you step by step how everything on this website works and how you can promote the products on there and how you can find them. So before we start, please leave a like on this video and subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. As you can see, this is Warriorplus. Your profit is our business, and this is an affiliate marketing program. You can find a lot of different products that you can promote and you get a commission in return. So what you want to do to create an account, you just want to hit free sign up here and then fill in your information. So that's what I'm going to do right now. So if I've entered in all my details, then you can hit create account, and that's basically everything you have to do. And now you have to verify that it's your email, so you have to go to your email address and then hit the link. So as you can see, here is the link, Warriorplus. Click to complete the registration. You want to hit this link, and now you successfully created your Warriorplus link, and here we can log in with our information again. So that's what I'm going to do right now again, just like that, and boom. Now you have your own Warriorplus account, and here you can set it up. But we're not done yet. We first have to say what we are going to use. So what is the #1 reason you created an account? First, I want to sell my own product as a vendor. That's not what we want to do. Instead, we want to sell their products so that we can make commissions. And that's the second one. I want to earn money as an affiliate for others people's products. We also have a third one. I want to buy products and services. That's not what we want to do. So hit the second one. I want to earn money as an affiliate. So this brings you to this page, basically an FAQ page where you can find some information. I want to earn money as an affiliate, but what you want to do here, just hit go to Warriorplus at the top, and this brings you to Warriorplus here, and you want to hit dashboard at the top right corner. So now we're in the dashboard, let's close everything here, and this is how it looks once you've created your account. So here we can see some products and vendors, but to view all the products and products that you want to promote, we can go to marketplace and to top products or any other thing here. We have home, categories. You can basically filter this by anything. So the top products of today: Super Funnel by Brandon Mays, Commission Machine plus Rich, and here are all kinds of products that you can promote. So to go to some specific offers, we can go to affiliate at the top and then go to offers down here. So this brings us to a ton of offers that we can search. So we can find it by a keyword, the vendor name, so basically the seller. We can sort it by pulse score, launch date, the amount of sales, visitor value, average sales, conversion rate, and the vendor itself. So that's what we want to do, what we can do. And here we have all the offers. We can see the release date, the amount of sales, the conversion rate of these sales, visitors value, average sales, and the refund rate, and also the offer pool. So as you can see, it's a great way to filter what product you want. For example, if you are into cats or into animals, you can find offers that you can promote that have something with animals. Same for YouTube, but basically anything. So let's say we want to promote Omega by Digital Page Designs. So we can go ahead and hit this, and this brings us over to the vendor and this product. So this is how it looks. We can see the overview, categories, marketing, education, affiliate marketing. So you're basically promoting a affiliate marketing course. It has a contest and another contest here. We can hit view GV page, and if we go to that, you can see this is the landing page. So if you think this is a good page, you can check it out here. And if you're going to promote it, this is how it will look like. So this is what you can promote and earn money from. If you think this looks good, then you can always go for it. But how do you actually promote it? So first of all, you need to request an approval. Not every offer, you can't just promote every offer with a new account. So you need to request approval. Then you get your own custom link. It's your own link. And every time someone buys something through that link, you get a commission. But what I really like about Warriorplus, I'm going to show you that in a minute. It's basically in the funnel map. Here we can see all the upsells and downsells. So this has to load a moment. Here it is. So this is if this is a little bit confusing, I'm going to explain everything. First, if you want to promote a product, you send them to the main page. If they're interested and they buy it, they get redirected by mail through the upsell. So this is an upsell. If they buy that or they get interested, they get another upsell, and with the arrows you can see the exact route that they are taking. So I think this is a really cool thing, and the best thing about this is, let me go to products to show you. If you just sell one product, the Omega product, for $17, you get a commission of 50%. However, if they buy an upsell through that same link, you get another $18. And if they buy the other upsell, $200, you get almost $100. So for only one product here, which is the basic and mega product that you can promote, you can make up to like $150, $120. So that's the nice thing about Warriorplus and their funnel system. It works really well, and basically all of the vendors are doing this. And for the conversion rate, that's basically why the conversion rate is so high. But as I said, you need to be approved to promote specific offers, as well as this one. So you can just hit request approval, and here you have to hit the request note, or you have to fill it in. Basically say, I have a website, I'm a YouTuber, I'm doing blogging, and this is my page. Just show them that you are interested in promoting their product, because most of the time, if you have a new account, it doesn't show that you have a lot of experience, and you really have to prove yourself to promote their products. But once you get the ball rolling, you get some small commissions, then they will definitely trust you, and you can basically get approved for every single vendor. So that's a really cool thing of Warriorplus. And the money that you earn will be sent to your account here on Warriorplus. So we can go to WePlus wallet here. And here you can see your wallet, and here will be the amount that you've earned. And here you can see you can easily withdraw it to your bank account or other things. We can hit it. As you can see, you do need to fill in a tax form, but this is actually super easy. And if you just want to withdraw it to your real bank account, it's super easy in Warriorplus, and I really like that they are so that they are really flexible with it. So this was the Warriorplus tutorial. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you next time. Have a good day. Bye.